All right, in kindergarten, we use the term gain. So this is my place value gain for my kindergartners. And the first thing they would have to do is they would have to show me that they understand place value. And the way they would do it, they would show me, we would use the word ones, and they would have to put all the ones in their place. And they would have to, when we use the word tens, they would have to put all the tens in their place. And when we say 100, say we have to put the 100 flat sheet as well as the numbers with 100 on it. That will let me know they understand where each value go, where the hundreds are, where the tens are, where the ones are. And when they're able to do that, then the next thing we're going to do, we will play the game called Can You Find the Number? And the number, let's say we have the number 142. Can they make it? And it's like the number value build stack game. And we have 142, so they will pull down 2 for the ones because we have 2 in the ones. And in the tens, we have 4, so they will pull down 1. Let's put it above it. 2, 3, and 4. And how many hundreds we have? We have 100. Okay, then they would have to show it to me. They would have, these are the hundreds here. So they would have to pull up 100. And we have 4, so they would have to show me 40. And we have 2, so they would have to find the numeral 2. And make sure they match. And that says 142. If they were to grab a 7 and put it there and say that's it, I would say, do the numbers match? And when they look at the numbers, they were like, no, it doesn't match. And I'm like, okay, do you have 7 over there? No, I have 2. Then where's 2 at? And it was like, this is 2. And now the numbers match. 141, 141, 142. Not 141, 142. So now they have 142 here. They have it here. And they're able to show it to me here. Now I know they understand place value. The next thing they would do is, while they're working on place value, we would add with it. Let's say they have 7. They would take down 7. That's 6 and 1. And I would say, okay, now you have 7. Let's subtract 2. And let's see what we get. Here's their equal sign. So they know their answer has to go over here. So they have 7. I'm going to take 2 away. And then they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They'll say I have 5. Let's find 5. 5 is here. 5 match that 5. So now they know they have the answer. If I was to say, all right, now we're going to add. So now they know they can't just add from here. They have to put it back and then grab 7. And there's 5, 6, 7. Now I said add 2. Put it above it. And here's 2 here. And what does it equal? Well, they know it doesn't equal 5 anymore. Now they got to add them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now they're looking for 9. And that would be their answer. They would grab all these, pull them over here to say equal 9. Because in adding, you must put them all what? All together. Separately, you have 7 and 2, but you must push them all together so you can get 9. So we can add with this as well as subtract. We can also do greater than and less than. When we had them out, we can say which one is larger. And we know if there are 7 above here, that's 5, 6, 7, and we have 2 over here, which one is larger? We would know this one is larger because we have more over here than we have over here. So now we could do greater than and less than as well as adding and subtraction. Okay. Let's move this out the way. Now, we can always work on working in the hundreds column, in the ones column. When you're working in the ones column, how many can you have before you have to get to 10? Well, they know if they get to 10, they put them all there. That's 10. Well, 10 can't go in the ones column. You either got to put something back or you have to take something over. Well, this and this is equivalent to the same thing. Let me lay it out flat. And it is 10. Okay. Trust me, it's 10. See it? See there? It's 10. So you put these back and you just put the 10 there. And zero is here, because zero represents when it's behind a number, it makes the number in front of it powerful. The zero gives the number that's in front of it power. So now it is given power and made it a 10. The zero is nothing, but here it is right here, makes it powerful. So now it is 10. Well, how many 10s can we have before we get 100? Let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. But can 100 stay there? Because that zero is giving power to the next number that goes up. So now we'll put these, we'll bring this down, and this is a flat 100. It goes there, and this is 100. So let's see if we can find that. Here's 1, 0 for the 10, 0 for the ones, 100. Let's say we wanted to put down at least 1 10. There you go. And 1 1. There you go. Let's see how the numbers change. Let's say we put down 1 10 and we put down 1 1. And look what we have. 100, 1 10, and 1 1s, which is 111. See that? And we're able to check it. That is how we play our number value game. We can also take the numbers up because we have numbers all the way up here, and we can go up until 1,000. Thank you so much for watching.